Hello, I am Suraj Kumar Babasaheb Thomre. I completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Telecommunication from Pune University with a distinction. While searching for a job, I come to know about eVision. eVision TechnoServe is IT recruitment and manpower outsourcing company. In eVision, I had a joint full-day job internship program under the guidance of IT managers and administrator. I joined on 8th of March 2021. After added in a job internship, I got some real-time experience of a core technology in advanced networking like a CCNA, Windows administration, Linux administration, and virtualization. It is a good initiative of eVision that every subject have a special trainer like Tarun sir, Rahul sir, Vibhushit sir, Roshan sir, and Manu sir. I want to share what I actually learn in Windows administration. I learn various tools like AD user management, how to apply group policy, BSOD error troubleshooting, printer configuration and their troubleshooting, Outlook configurations, and how to take a backup of Outlook, and various other features of Windows 12 R2 server. In a basic networking, I learn about types of network, various technology in networking, media, devices, and various protocols in a network communication. I also learn about OSI and TCP/IP models, and in a virtualization, I learned about hypervisors, various technology in virtualization, advantages and applications of virtualization, and various types of virtualization. In a cloud computing, I learn what is a cloud computing and how it works, various cloud models and services provided by the cloud and their types, advantages of cloud computing over virtualization. In a cybersecurity, I learn about various command in a Kali Linux. In advanced CCNA, I learn about subnetting, static and dynamic routing, types of dynamic routing such as RIP, OSPF, and EIGRP. I also learn about WAN technology, switching technology, and DSCP configuration. Along with all this technology, I perform practical in a Cisco packet tracer. I also learn about ITIL terminologies like what is a priority, what is a incident, what is a problem, what is a severity, and various other ticketing tools. Along with all this, on every Saturday there was a mock interview and PPT presentation. So from this, we got to know about what is our mistakes and how to filter out those mistakes. But after giving 3 to 4 mock interview, I learn about my mistakes and I filter out those mistakes. Definitely I will utilize all this my skill for a growth of a company, and I will give 100% to the organization. I can say confidently that I am ready to face real-time interview, and in my first attempt I will crack interview. Thank you eVision for helping me out and giving me this opportunity to learn about various technology in a CCNA.